Hey everybody, welcome to our teaser video for our upcoming Code Campfire, Saturday, October 2nd. We'll be live on YouTube with a chat discussion and a Q&A. I've got both Mickey and Ron who will be doing the first Silicon Valley Code Campfire ever. We're learning a lot in this process, so bear with us a little bit. Mickey's going to ask Ron a brief question about his session, and then Ron's going to ask Mickey a brief question about his. So, Mickey.
Sure. So Ron, a lot of new managers think, I've bowled my way through the learning process. I'll just bowl my way through learning to manage. Does it really like that?
Well, there's a big difference between learning to program and learning to manage. A big difference in that with programming, we mostly know what we don't know. With managing, we mostly don't know what we don't know. And the result of that is we tend to leave in our first managing roles, we tend to leave a swath of disgruntled programmers behind us if we do that. Furthermore, we have to know, we have to learn how to manage our time entirely differently. And then there's this rule of thumb that as we progress up the career ladder, the things that make us successful at one level get in our way at the next. So the things that make us successful as programmers, in fact, get in our way as managers. And so we'll talk about those in our Code Campfire. So Mickey, let me ask you a question. Since the beginning of the pandemic, almost all the software industry's been working remote in what's become the new normal. So haven't developers and companies figured this out by now?
Well, there's a lot of stuff in our book that actually is relevant to that. But I think that with remote, there's a lot of things and new practices that we can look to. For example, Git provides a lot of it. Sorry, let me start that again. So, Ron, there's a lot of things in our book that's relevant to what we need to do to manage remotely. But there's also a lot of things we can look to. For example, GitLab provides a lot of example for what can do to manage 100% remotely. They've been doing this since the beginning. So we'll look at a lot of those things together in the talk I'm going to give.
Okay.
All right. Well, thanks, you guys. We'll see you Saturday at 9:30.
Thanks. Looking forward to it.
Me too.
All right. That's a wrap.
Yay.